If you want to format videos for TikTok with CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal horizontal video into a clean vertical TikTok format, how to make it fill the screen properly, and how to export it with the best settings for TikTok. This is a super useful workflow if you want your videos to look professional, avoid black bars, and upload with the right quality and format. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into CapCut. First, open your project in the CapCut desktop app and select your media. The very first thing you need to do is set the correct aspect ratio. Look above the preview screen and find the ratio option. Click it and then choose 9:16. This is the vertical format used by TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Once you switch to 9:16, your project will immediately change into a vertical canvas, which is exactly what you want for mobile-friendly content. Now, if your original video is horizontal, meaning it was recorded in 16:9, you'll probably notice black bars at the top and bottom. That happens because the video does not yet fill the full vertical frame. To fix that, click on the video clip in the timeline. Then, on the right-hand side, go to Video and then click Basic. Here you'll see the scale slider. Slowly drag the scale slider up until the video fills the entire frame. The goal is to make the clip cover the whole vertical screen without leaving empty space around it. As you adjust the scale, keep an eye on the framing. You want to make sure the subject stays centered and important parts of the video are not cropped out. If needed, you can reposition the clip slightly so the composition still looks good in the vertical layout. This is one of the most important steps when formatting videos for TikTok because a poorly framed video can make your content look awkward or unfinished. If you have multiple clips in your project, repeat the same process for each one. Set the ratio to 9:16, then scale the horizontal footage until it fits the vertical canvas cleanly. This is especially helpful if you're repurposing YouTube videos, tutorials, podcasts, or product demos into short-form content for TikTok. It saves a lot of time and helps you get more value from one recording. Once your video looks right in the timeline, it's time to export it with the correct settings. Click the export button and open the export settings. First, make sure the video export box is checked. Then set the format to MP4. MP4 is one of the most widely supported formats and works very well for TikTok uploads. Next, choose the resolution. The recommended standard is 1080p, also known as Full HD. This gives you a sharp, clear result without making the file unnecessarily huge. After that, check the frame rate. It's best to match your original footage, so if your video was recorded in 30 FPS, keep it at 30 FPS. If it was recorded in 60 FPS, choose 60 FPS. Matching the original frame rate helps keep motion smooth and avoids unnecessary conversion issues. Now move to the codec setting and select H.264. This is a reliable codec that balances quality and file size very well. For bitrate, choose recommended or high. Recommended is usually a safe choice if you want a good balance, while high can be useful if you want to preserve more detail and don't mind a larger file. Don't forget the audio settings. Check the audio export box and make sure the audio format is set to AAC or MP3. These formats are widely compatible and should export cleanly for TikTok. Good audio is just as important as a good video, so always double check this before saving. When everything is set correctly, click export again to save the video to your PC. Once the export is complete, your video will be ready to upload to TikTok in the proper vertical format. If you follow these steps, you should now have a video that looks clean, fills the screen properly, and uses export settings that are ideal for TikTok. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.